Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of EA not sending a verification code. So without any delay, let's get into it. If you are not receiving the verification code, first check your settings to ensure you haven't blocked emails from EA or set filters that might be sending them to a specific folder. Make sure to also check your Gmail spam or junk mail folder, as the verification code may have landed there. If you still don't receive the email, follow these steps. First, open any browser and search for EA Help Support. Go to EA's official website and log in to your EA account. Now select the game you need a verification code for. Click on See All Help Topics. Now select the option that applies to your problem. For this issue, select I need help logging into my account. Now click on Chat with us to connect with EA's support team and explain your issue. They will assist in resolving it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.